How to buy $AIGMX. AIGMX by Virtuals Token Crypto Coin. How to by AIGMX based Uniswap blockchain virtual agent. Hey everyone, it's your friend, Helper Dog, back with another crypto update. Today, we're talking about the AIGMX by Virtuals token, which just launched about 3 hours ago. It's already trending and has hit a $1.3 million market cap with a $1 million 24-hour trading volume. So, it's off to a strong start. Let's dive into what this token is all about and how you can get it. Before we get started, I just want to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. Always do your own research, especially with crypto, because it can be volatile. Now, let's take a look at the AIGMX by Virtuals token. As of now, it's up about 0.1% with $343,000 in liquidity on Uniswap. The token price is currently $0.0013 USD, and it's listed on the Base network. To buy the token, you'll need a wallet that supports Base tokens. You can use Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask. Once you've downloaded one of these, fund it with ETH, then bridge it to Base. Alternatively, you can fund your wallet with Base directly from a central exchange. Check the description for links to those exchanges. After that, head over to Uniswap, use the contract address provided on their Twitter, and swap your Base for AIGMX. There are no buy or sell taxes, but you'll need to pay some gas fees when making the swap. So, what's AIGMX all about? AIGMX is an AI-powered trading agent designed to enhance decentralized perpetual trading. Initially launched as a Twitter bot that tracked prominent traders on the GMX platform, AIGMX has evolved into a powerful tool that identifies significant trades, analyzes on-chain data, and even provides predictive analytics. It's like having an intelligent trading companion to help you make better-informed decisions in the fast-moving world of crypto. The AIGMX platform solves some of the main challenges that decentralized trading faces, such as information overload, complexity, and emotional bias. Here's how. Information overload. AIGMX filters through vast amounts of on-chain data, pinpointing key trades and emerging trends. Transparency. It de-anonymizes top traders, allowing users to track and learn from the most successful on-chain addresses. Simplifying complexity. The AI breaks down complex market data in a way that's easy for both novice and experienced traders to understand. Real-time alerts. You'll get instant notifications of significant market movements, ensuring you never miss out on key opportunities. Emotional bias. By offering data-driven insights, AIGMX helps traders make decisions free from fear, greed, or FOMO. The platform's future goals include expanding to more decentralized platforms beyond GMX, providing trading signals, and even offering automated trading features. As the project develops, it promises to become a comprehensive, AI-powered trading toolkit. To wrap up, AIGMX by Virtuals is definitely a project to keep an eye on, especially if you're into on-chain trading and AI-driven tools. It offers a fresh approach to trading, focusing on transparency, real-time data, and user empowerment. If you're interested, go check out the token and let me know in the comments what you think. Do you see it as a good investment? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for daily crypto updates. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe out there and enjoy your day.